Hey, I have learned so much about being a school librarian. There's so many things that I never knew that the school librarian was responsible for. This is kind of sad to say, but the biggest thing and maybe the most important was digital citizenship. I'd never heard of it before. And now I feel such an urge to teach my students about digital citizenship more than ever before. I never knew that there were library standards that librarians had to follow before this class. Something that really surprised me was how much librarians have to advocate for their libraries, and I don't think that really happens here, but it could happen. I think it could happen anywhere, and I think I have to be prepared and continue to be prepared. Something I'm super excited about is just doing more of the things that I've learned about in this class and in the other class that I have taken, about doing more of it in my own library. And so something I want to learn more about is teaching STEM in the library. So I teach STEM in my library right now, and I'd like to know more about that, especially with coding. I feel like I'm still kind of struggling. I'm doing the best I can at the moment, but I feel like I can do better. And I guess my favorite assignment for this class was the advocacy and leadership parent presentation, because I feel like advocacy is now such a big part of my job. And so I think that wound up being my favorite assignment. My least favorite was probably summarizing the articles. I like more project-based type learning, and I guess that was probably my least favorite. Questions I have is, how do I do all this? So this is a lot. Like, I know that I'm just gonna have to like pace myself, and some things will come with time and experience, but it's a lot. So that's I guess my biggest question. Something else that I would really like to say to you is thank you, thank you, thank you. I've learned so much in this class, and I feel like even though we don't talk and we don't converse a lot in this class physically, like I feel like I know you. Like I feel like I can ask you things if I need help, and some professors you just don't feel that way with. And so thank you. I've learned so much, and I'm really glad that I was able to be in your class, and I'm really glad that I've learned so much from you, and I hope you have a happy holidays.